In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export notes as PDF in Obsidian so you can share, print, or archive your work in a clean, portable format that preserves all your headings, lists, and tables. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian on your device and opening the specific note you want to export. Once your note is open, look in the top right corner of the note pane for the three-dot menu represented by a small ellipsis icon. Click that to open the note menu, and then select the option labeled Export to PDF. This will open the PDF export settings window, where you can control exactly how your document will look when saved. In the settings window, you'll first choose your page size. Options like A4 or letter are common depending on your region. Next, pick the orientation. Portrait is the default and works well for most switchscape. If your note contains wide tables or diagrams that need more horizontal space. Below that, you'll find layout options where you can toggle whether to include background graphics, print line numbers if you're working with code or structured text, or include front matter and note properties. These are optional, so only enable them if they add value to your export. Before you finalize, take a moment to preview how your headings, lists, and formatting will appear. If something looks off, you can adjust the note itself first, for example, breaking up overly long paragraphs or making sure your headings use proper markdown like hash symbols. For the cleanest result, switch your note to reading view before exporting, as this strips away the editing interface and gives you a polished preview. When you're happy with the layout, click the Export button and choose where to save the file on your device. After saving, locate the PDF in your folder and open it to verify the formatting came through correctly. If the Export to PDF option isn't visible, which can happen on older versions of Obsidian, use the alternative method by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. Choose Print, then select Save as PDF from the printer options and click Save. For exporting multiple notes, you'll need to open each one individually and repeat the export process, then combine them later using a separate PDF tool if needed. On mobile, the process is similar. Open your note, tap the three-dot menu, and select Export as PDF. To keep everything organized, create a dedicated folder like Exports or PDF Notes, and use a consistent naming convention such as Meeting Notes 2026-06-12 to make searching easy later on. You can also combine this workflow with templates for reports or summaries, ensuring consistent formatting across all your exports. And that's it. Your Obsidian note is now exported as a clean, shareable PDF, ready for reports, presentations, backups, or offline reading. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.